is the key, my dear friends. So that is the key. And I'm going to give you a small story. What happened last week, Sunday, at my kitchen. Okay, my wife told that there was a water leaking from the tap, and she told that immediately to replace the tap. And I also took immediate action to save water, and I want to change this damaged tap. Okay, but before I went to the shop, I had two things in my mind. One is it has to be a branded tap with minimum 1 year warranty, and also the cost of the tap can be within a budget of 250 to 300 rupees. So that is what I thought in my mind before I start, isn't it? This will be the case of everyone, whoever want to go and buy the product, isn't it? So they have the budget and they want the quality, these two, isn't it? So I also set my mind, and then I went to the first shop. The first shop was a Jaguar. It was a Jaguar shop. So you know that it's a great brand and very good service support we got, no doubt about it. And I showed the tap sample and I asked them, can I have an equivalent tap? And they told, yes, we have an equivalent tap. The tap is costing around 1,100 rupees. What they told? 1,100 rupees with 3-year warranty. Will I buy the tap? Can you please put on to the chat box? Will I buy the tap? Yes or no? Can you please put on to the chat box? Will I buy the tap? Yes, no? Can you please type in the chat box? Will I buy the tap? Yes, no? Everybody. Will I buy the tap? Yes, no? Oppo says yes. Viswaljit says yes. Satyanarayanan says no. How about others? Sridhar says yes. How about others? Mr. Sridhar, the budget goes more than 4 or 5 times than my budget, isn't it? But still, will I buy the tap is the question. Even though the quality is there, budget is high, Satya says. Almost, I was in a dilemma whether to buy it or not, and I want to still explore. I don't want to take a decision. I had almost no, but I don't want to take a decision of buying, and I want to explore, and I went to the next shop. So the next shop is a local hardware shop. Can you see the local hardware shop? The customer care was not so great, but they offered me an equivalent tap for just 100 rupees, but one condition, no warranty or replacement guarantee for that. Will I buy the tap? Yes, no. Can you please put on to the chat box? Will I buy the tap? Yes or no? Will I buy the tap? No. Vishwaljit says yes. Satya says no. How about others? Will I buy the tap? Yes or no? A clear no from me, my dear friends, because it's not only the cost. The point is, he says no guarantee or replacement warranty. If I'm going to fix the tap, take the tap and take a risk of fixing the tap. So when the tap breaks while I fix, it's not only the cost I am going to incur extra, it is going to be the time and money. It's going to be the time and energy, which is more important than the money. Do you agree with me? So I'm going to spend extra 2 hours of my time, extra 2 hours of my energy for replacing this and fixing it back. Okay, so that is more important. I look at, so since they told no guarantee or replacement warranty, I don't want to take a chance. Then I went to the third shop. The third shop was Paribare shop, and there they offered me an equivalent tap to whatever I had for just 290 rupees. 290 rupees. Isn't it? So Jaguar will give a replacement, Shivaraman, if there is a problem with fixing or anything. So that was what we want to look at. Okay. So Paribare, 290 rupees, 2-year warranty. And to my surprise, there was a special offer going on and they gave me the tap for 190 rupees. Just don't look at one tap cost. Just imagine I'm going to buy 25 taps for my house, or you yourself is going to buy for your new house so many taps. How much savings you are going to make. So my dear friends, now I love to hear, will I buy the tap here? Yes or no? Can you please type, will I buy the tap? Yes or no? A clear yes. A clear yes, isn't it, my dear friends? A clear yes from everybody, each one of you. Raghu says yes, Shiva says yes, Sridhar says yes, Vivaljit says yes, everybody. It's a value for money, isn't it? Khalil also says yes. Fantastic. So, my dear friends, now I want yourself to put in my shoes and have to express what kind of a feeling I will have. Can you just tell me what kind of a feeling I will be having? Buying the product, a branded product with additional 1-year warranty at a cost less than what I have budgeted. What kind of a feeling and experience I will have? Can you please type on the chat? Satisfied, superb, delight, full satisfaction. How about others? How about others? Please put on to the chat box. Sense of satisfaction. Sense of satisfaction. Full satisfaction, isn't it? My dear friend, now I would love to hear from you. You as a business owners, have you given this kind of a satisfaction, gratified, very good. As a business owner, have you given this kind of a satisfaction to at least 90% of your business customers? 90% of the business customers, have you given this kind of an experience? If yes, put yes. If no, please put no. I have not given till 2015, I admit. I have not felt customer service is much important. I thought the product is much important. But I started to realize in 2015 only that customer service is at most the most important than anything else. How many of you have felt so? That I have given 90% of my audience the great satisfaction. If not, please mention no. If yes, please mention yes. Please put onto the chat box. Let me have a sip of water. Think over. How many of your customers have felt, wow, I felt so great attending your training program, or you felt that I had a great experience buying these products. Striving to give. Sridhar says striving. Striving to give is not the point, my dear Sridhar. What I want is whether your customer has felt that kind of an experience. If no, something has to be changed. Either the product themselves have to be changed, or the way how you position your product has to be changed, or your target audience to be changed, whatever it has to be done. That has to be done, my dear friends. Okay, so it will be a great learning if you have felt so like, I have not given that kind of an experience. Something is wrong with me. That is what clicked me in 2015. When I started losing some of my audience or my customers to my competitors, then I really felt that there is something missing and I need to patch the gap. And what I thought was, customer problem is the key and I need to create my marketing blueprint. How many of you have marketing blueprint for your product and services? My dear friends, how many of you have a marketing blueprint? If you don't know what is marketing blueprint, you can mention on the chat box, I don't know, so that I will explain you. If you have a marketing blueprint for your product and services, you can tell that I do have a marketing blueprint for my product and services. Do you have a marketing blueprint for your business or your product and services? How do you market your products? Better target audience? Okay, fine. So anybody, do you have a marketing blueprint? May differ for FMCG, consumer. Okay, great. Not it, but outline. Okay. Sridhar says yes. Sridhar has got a marketing blueprint. Okay, how many marketing blueprint do you have, Mr. Sridhar, for your product? So prior to that, let me just give a small briefing. One, so that it's very clear that it is not a marketing blueprint. My dear friends, marketing blueprint is nothing but a script you need to create, targeting your audience, highlighting the problem your audience are facing, and giving them a solution, a product solution, and making your customer to buy your product. I repeat, it is a script made targeting your audience, highlighting your customer's problem, and telling that this is the solution for him or her, and explaining your product solution to them and making the customers to buy the products. Okay, so this is all about the marketing blueprint. So for one product, how many marketing blueprint you can have? For one product, how many maximum or minimum you can have? How many marketing blueprint? Is it 1, 2, 3? 2 or 3, correct? Isn't it? So it's very clear, if you have only one marketing blueprint, you are doing something mistake, because your product and services may cater to different target audiences. So you need to identify the exact target audience and you need to address them. So that is one marketing blueprint. And then you need to have one more marketing blueprint which will address another target audience with another problem and how your product solves them. It is the same product but solving different target audience with the different problems, whatever they face. Okay. And you need to have a sales story. How you nicely tell them as a story. As I told you, most of the people will talk about the features. Most of the people will talk about my product has got this feature, that feature. It has got 230 volt and the power backup is available and all those stuff. But how many of you have told the benefits your customers will get? That is why I asked you to write down 3 benefits for your customers buying your products and services. So please share that, what are the 3 benefits. Once you write these benefits, almost you're through with your sales. Almost you are through with your sales. Most of 99% of the business owners, trainers don't write down their benefits. Write down the customer benefit, what they will get using their services or their products. You can write more also, but I'm asking you to just write first 3. And you can write up to 7, 10 also. But I would love to write 3 benefits and share it with me to get your free software also as a bonanza. Okay, right. So now let us dive into the next slide. And this is a video. I love you to hear this video. Let me just check out whether my video has an audio also. Let me just switch on my audio. Yes, now it's done. So let us just watch this video. This video is going to talk about the customer psychology. So how our audience in India and worldwide, how they are responding to products and services. Let us hear. Great. Hope you loved that video. How many of you feel that you are one among them? How many of you feel you are one among them? Just type I am. How many of you feel that you are one among them? Most of you as a customer also have the same feeling, isn't it? How many of you feel so? Please type on the chat box that you are also. Khalil says, yes, I am. Sridhar says, I am. So mostly everybody, you put yourself in the shoes of the customers. You are also one among them, isn't it? How about others? Only 3 of you? How many of you? If you are not, you can just mention, I am not. I am. Very good. Awesome. So, hope you enjoyed. This is not only restricted to Indian customers. Worldwide, all the business owners, all the customers are looking for a quality product at an affordable price. That you make a point very clear. That is what people are looking at. So you can strengthen this first pillar called market through our program called Secret Plus. What we train you at Secret Plus is 7 business secrets you learn. How to get connected with 500 plus customers in just 30 seconds. Why you lose your order? You lost your order, even your price is lowest. Have you come across that kind of an experience in your business? If so, this session will open up why you lost your order. Create marketing blueprint with MOT techniques. As I told you, what is this marketing blueprint? Still, we go in detail about this marketing blueprint and we give you the modules how to create this marketing blueprint. Talk your perfect selling story. So creating the script alone is not going to help you. How you need to talk before the audience matters. Very, very important. So my dear friends, hope you understood the first pillar, market. Please type market and it can be strengthened. Market pillar can be strengthened using a session called Secret Plus. Can you please type market and Secret Plus in the chat box so that I am clear that you understood the first pillar, and next we will dive into the second pillar called surprise. Let us go to the second pillar soon. I'd love to hear from everybody. If you are very clear about market and you can strengthen the first pillar using the program called Secret Plus. Thank you, Mr. Shivaraman. Thank you, Sridhar. How about others? How about the others? Let me hear from everybody, each one of you in this forum. Superb. Mr. Viswal Jit. Okay, right. Super.